Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. I'm really excited to bring you this beautiful turnkey renovated home here at the end of Norwood Terrace. It's a beautiful 3-bed, 1.5 bath, and you're absolutely going to fall in love with what we've done with the master bedroom and ensuite. We've got plenty of other features as well, a 3-season sunroom, beautiful hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Come on, let's go check out all we have to offer. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 19 Norwood Terrace. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to schedule a private showing, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for an affordable turnkey home here in Holyoke, please share the video link with them. Before we end, I want to show you a quick look at the neighboring community field.